welcome to my channel Lush Foliage. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So guys, today is going to be a garden tour of Binu Varghese, also known as Lindsay. I will tag the phone number as well as her Facebook ID in the description below. You can check it out because a lot of people have been asking that they want to buy healthy plants but they're not very sure about the sellers because of trust issues. I understand, but she is one of the best sellers that I've come across. As you have seen, I've done an unboxing video of her plants and this is her new stock that has just arrived. So I thought I'll quickly do a garden tour video of her plants. Now, unfortunately, I cannot share the prices of all the plants individually, but what you can do is you can take a screenshot and send it to the number that I'll put in the description below, and she will give you the exact price of the plants along with the postage. Now guys, there are variety of plants over here. As you can see, these are some calatheas. She usually has a lot of calatheas, aglaonemas, caladiums, philodendrons and other varieties as well, even begonias as well. So you can see these are all the calathea varieties. She has a lot of varieties of different calatheas. As I said, the prices will depend. I do not want to give the wrong price, so it's always better to check with the seller. So I'll give the phone number in the description below. And you can see these are all the calatheas. You can see they are quite mature. The size of the plants is also very healthy. This is Calathea Yellow Fusion, I think. You can see it's very bushy, very healthy. All of the plants are looking intact. In fact, when I purchased plants from her, the plants were extremely healthy. There were no fungus, there were no mold, there were no pest attack. All the leaves, everything was very perfect. These are some anthuriums, the flamingo anthuriums. There are a couple of colors in this. She has these pink flamingo anthuriums as well as the chocolate ones. Again, a lot of varieties. Probably these would be starting from 200. Again, I'm not quite sure, but you can see how healthy they are. All of them have blooms. She has around 3 to 4 varieties of flamingo anthuriums. You can see all of them are doing quite well. All of them are looking very healthy. Let me take a closer view of the plants. You can see these are some more of the flamingo anthuriums. All of them have bloomed, all of them are doing quite well. You can see the leaves also look very fresh. All of them are doing quite well. So please, you can go ahead and purchase it from her. Just give her a text. A lot of times we are very hesitant to talk to sellers, but she is very down to earth, very sweet seller. She will answer all your queries and help you out what exactly you're looking out for. Here again, some more of calatheas. The size of the calatheas are amazing. They are really huge. Usually we just get 2 or 3 leaves, but here you can see they are doing quite well. Now over here, some more of caladiums. You can see the caladiums are also very pretty. She has a lot of varieties of caladiums. I have purchased caladiums from her earlier. This is a new variety of caladium called as New Wave. Here are some more aglaonemas. Usually aglaonemas are very expensive, but again she has them at a very affordable price. Again, there are a lot of varieties in aglaonemas. The recent ones that have been coming in the market are the pink ones, which she has. This is another variety of aglaonema. You can see how healthy they are. You can see all the leaves. I think this is a diamond aglaonema, and this is a pink, probably a pink China aglaonema. You can see how healthy they are, and the size of the aglaonemas are also really good. Here there are some Dieffenbergias or dumb canes. As you know, you can see again these are very healthy. The size is also very good and they are at a very affordable price. So just check with the price here. And now here we have some philodendron Birkin. You can see they are very healthy. The leaves look super healthy. And here there are some air plants. Again, air plants are becoming very popular these days. So if you want to purchase some air plants, she also has some air plants available. Now guys, if you want to purchase any of these, just take the screenshot and send it to the number. She will definitely help you out with the prices. Again, a whole bunch of anthuriums. These are flamingo anthuriums. Now these are double flower anthuriums, something that is very new. Again over here, some more of aglaonemas. You can see how fresh and healthy they look, and just what you see in these pictures is something that is what she's going to be sending you. So Don't be worried about the quality of plants. They are extremely good. I have purchased couple of times from her. So when she told me to do a little bit of garden tour on my channel, I definitely agreed because I'm very confident about her plants. I have purchased so many from her. Again, coming over here, you can see these are some black ZZ plants. Even ZZ plants are available with her. Again, some more of caladiums. Now guys, I have purchased a lot of caladiums from her. They all have been doing quite well. In fact, I had purchased a lot of bulbs and all of the bulbs have sprouted. You might have seen the caladiums that I had. And these are some more varieties of caladiums. I was searching for strawberry ice and you can see she has caladium strawberry ice as well. Strawberry ice is very famous. Recently, a lot of people want to buy them. You can see how healthy they look. Um, Lindsay also has some new varieties of caladiums that have recently come in the market. This is the one that I'm talking about. It's called as Caladium New Wave. It has this really bright orange yellow color. Looks absolutely beautiful. I have one of these. There are some variegated alocasias or colocasias over here, elephant here, the variegated one. This is something really new. These are Caladium Hilo Beauties. Again, they are quite in demand in the market. She has these varieties as well. Again, this section is completely filled with caladiums. If you are interested in caladiums, you can purchase it from her. This is again a new variety of caladium. She also has monsteras, alocasias, and elephant ears and colocasias as well. This is another variety, a new variety of caladium, again very popular. So guys, you shouldn't think twice if you want to buy some really healthy plants. She definitely has a wide range of plants. These are some Monstera adansonii. This is another caladium. This is one I had purchased recently. It looks absolutely beautiful. You can check it on my Instagram. I have put a picture of it. And these are some Monstera adansonii. Again, I had purchased this. I've done an unboxing video on it, so you can see they're very healthy. Usually, they are quite expensive in the market, but you can check with her. I'm sure the prices are very affordable. So give it a try. Again, over here, some of monsteras and anthuriums. A lot of them, all these stocks are recently come in her garden because I haven't seen these before. Otherwise, I would have purchased. So I'm just waiting to get back home from my vacation so that I can go ahead and purchase these plants. Now here again some more of calatheas. You can see these are some Thinanthes over here. Beautiful healthy plants. Again some more of calatheas. Now these are calatheas that tend to propagate and multiply really fast. I have purchased this from her earlier as well. Some Calathea marantha triostar, absolutely beautiful. They are indoor plants as well, but they tend to like a little bit of more humidity. So if you are a person who loves calatheas, do visit and check. They are absolutely beautiful plants. These are a closer view of the individual plants. You can see all of these calatheas. They are really healthy. You can see the pattern. Every plant, every individual plant is very bushy. These are some more of the calatheas. I have purchased these as well from her and they're doing quite well. All of the plants are very healthy. This is another variety of calathea called as rattlesnake. Again, tends to grow really fast, very healthy plants. You can see all of these are doing quite well. This is calathea pink pinstripe. It usually has this pink color. This is bright star, calathea bright star. Then we have these are the tricolor calatheas. The ones that I said are very in demand in the market. They look absolutely beautiful. I have purchased this one as well in the unboxing video you might have seen. This is Calathea Dotty. The pink one, absolutely beautiful plant. So guys, if you want to purchase this, just take the screenshot and send it to the number, Lindsay's number. She will definitely guide you through and she'll let you know what is the postage charges. You can see there are some more of calatheas. She also has black ZZ as well as the green ZZ. This is a yellow fusion, calathea yellow fusion. You can see how healthy they are, quite bushy. Usually we tend to get hardly three or four leaves, but here you can see the leaves are also of a very good size. All the plants are very mature, and the moment you get them home, they do and acclimate quite well. I have a lot of plants from her, and they all have been doing quite well. This is another variety of Calathea, which also I have purchased and has been doing quite well. In fact, it has multiplied and it's been doing quite well. This is another variety of Calathea. As I said, guys, once again, just take a screenshot of whatever plants you like and just uh, WhatsApp her. She will give you the complete details of what's going to be the cost, because the postage charges are going to be different from city to city. Uh, these are again Calathea Dotti, which are quite popular right now. These are very popular as of now, right now, as houseplants. These are Calathea orbifolia, very popular right now, lot in demand. So if you want to purchase one of these, you can. They are in good size. There is a large one as well as the smaller ones. Again, over here some more varieties of Calatheas. All of them are very bushy, all of them are very green and healthy. So give it a try. The seller is very trustworthy. She packs the plants really well, so you do not need to be worried much. This is another variety of Thinanthe. This is Thinanthe setosa. Calathea. You can see how bushy it is, the amount of shoots that it has. It's of a very good size. Now coming towards the anthuriums, the flamingo anthuriums, as I said, she has different varieties. So this is a close-up of it. These are the pink ones. As I said, these flowers last for almost 2 to 3 months. This is the red flamingo. This is a double leaf actually. So there are two flowers on one uh, bloom stalk, so you can see how healthy they are. These are the single ones, again absolutely beautiful. This is the pink variety, there is a red variety. She has the chocolate one as well as she has the white one as well. So these are the white ones. They look absolutely beautiful. So give it a try, guys. Try and contact her. She will give you all the information. She will answer all your queries and help you out with the varieties. These are some syngoniums. These are called as chocolate syngoniums. They are available in bulk. If you want to purchase in bulk as well, you can check with her. I'm so sorry, this is not syngonium. This is flamingo itself. This is the chocolate flamingo. So the flowers are brown in color, looks really attractive. And these are some more of anthuriums. So guys, this was all of the garden tour. She has recently gotten a lot of new stock, so you can go ahead and give her a message. As I said, you can just try and take the screenshot and just send it to her, because there are different varieties. So it's always better to take a screenshot and send it to her, so that it will be much easy for you to sort out your postage and your product, whichever plants you like. It was little difficult to give the prices of individual plants, because there are so many, and again the price varies from size. And like, you have some of these Calatheas that are either two stem or three stem, so the prices kind of differ a lot. So I didn't want to give you exact price, because that will not be correct. The prices might differ. So probably you can just check with the seller. Again, you can see how healthy this anthurium flamingo is, with so many blooms, so many such a bushy plant. Usually you do not get such a bushy plant on websites. You probably get just one stalk and with few leaves, but here you can see the leaves are very bushy. Usually it's always better to have plants that are very bushy, because they can acclimate and get adjusted to the new environment much faster. And especially Binu tends to have this home garden, so all of these are growing in a very natural environment. These are some more of Calatheas, the pink stripe. And this is how huge they are. This is Calathea oranta, really beautiful. You can grow them indoor as well, you can even grow them outdoor, but always ensure that there is a good amount of humidity around them, because they prefer a lot of humidity. Again, over here these are some more Calathea oranta. So you can see all of these plants are very healthy. They are very bushy, they can easily get adjusted in the new environment. Here this is another Calathea bright star, so a lot of different varieties, and you can see how glossy and healthy the leaves are. Hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.